Oh. It's a beautiful day. I got some beautiful tomatoes. It's BLT day. All right, so these aren't going to be any regular old BLTs now. These are going to be grilled, just like a grilled cheese. So let's get this party started. Oh. Whatever. For the grilled BLTs, we're trying to get all the, at least most of the grease off, because it doesn't make sense. Actually, it makes sense, but okay. So it probably won't hurt to have a little bit of residual bacon grease on there. We got our bread all buttered up here, so we're gonna go ahead and put it on and get it toasting, so we can have a grilled BLT. Okay, so we're about 45 seconds in. We're gonna go ahead and flip them over. And you see we've already got a nice toast on that. And go ahead and just toast the inside a little bit. Give it some more rigidity. Oh, that one's not ready yet. So, yeah, that's good. Got these two left here. We're going to go ahead and clean the rest of the grill up with that leftover bacon grease. Layer in some nice greasy grease. Yummy, yum, yum. If you haven't, you should. Oh my God. Wow. Like I said, it's a beautiful day. I just got a little bit better. Here's to you.